Another really cool thing you can do with TKInter are called modal windows. So um, remember when we worked with files, how we have to worry about where that file is located, maybe putting it in the same location as our script. Well, now if I do this from TKInter import file dialog, and then I do file name equals file dialog ask open file name, it will open my system's file dialog box where I can navigate anywhere on my computer to find that file, open it up, and then it puts that path in the file name, which I can then use to open it like a text file. I can open images for Pillow. There are so many different things I can do with just that. It gives you a lot of power to do whatever you want. But there's more. I can also do colors. If I wanted to change a color on an image or write text on an image and I want to allow the user to choose a color, um, it opens up the system color chooser. So you can choose any color, and that data will get put back into, um, and this should be color equals because it'll come back as a hex code like that. So you can do colors. You can open up a simple message box. Okay, a message box just has the OK button. So it's just FYI for the user, but all you have to do here is messagebox.showInfo, and that thing will just pop up and tell the user whatever, and then they click OK, and they can go back to the regular. These are not part of the regular window, which is why they're called modal windows. They're things that usually, like if you have a program, it'll pop up when you want to save something or when you want to open a file. So you can do message boxes. You can have them return a yes or no. Okay. And you can bind the yes or no values to a variable so that you can capture what the user wants to do there. Simple dialog box, if you just want to ask the user a question. Okay, so this is basically the TKInter equivalent to the input command that we've been using all along. So it opens it up, you can change the title, you can ask the question, whatever the user types in there, if they click OK, it gets put into that variable, and you can use it just like the response to an input. Okay, so simple dialog boxes. And again, Windows and Dialogs has all of those different options available. So you can see how to use those, and you can integrate those into your program.